Hi Kipsters, right now I'm going to show you how to look up the ATOS level of a book that you have at home. So for my independent reading right now, I have a book that I actually picked up from the school at the beginning of the year. This one is called Rise of the Isle of the Lost. It's a Descendants novel. So I decided that I want to read it, but before I start, I want to make sure that I check that this book is something that's in my ATOS range or close to my ATOS range so that I'm pushing myself as a reader. So the first thing I want to do is use this website, bookfind.com. I'm going to actually click on it on my resource to help bring me there. Oops. Let's see if this... Oh, that's not working. So I'm going to highlight it, copy it, open a new tab, and paste. So now I went to arbookfind.com, and it brings me to a page like this. I want to search the title of the book so I can see what the ATOS level is. So I'm going to be very careful as I write this in. And I can see the book here, and it's really nice because it matches the cover. Sometimes the covers don't match all the way, but for a lot of books they do. So now I'm going to open it up, and at the top of this chart here, it tells me the ATOS book level. This one is a 5.6. For my reading level of 6.0 to 7.0, this is a good fit because it's close to my range. It's something that I'm interested in. I think this is good. For my next book, I might want to pick something with a higher ATOS level because this is a little bit below just to balance it out, but this is good for now. Now that I have that ATOS level, I want to write it down somewhere, maybe on a post-it to put in my book or in my notebook, so that every time I fill out my reading log, I have it ready to enter into that space. Remember, Kipsters, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to Mr. Bynum, Miss Villeneuve, or myself.